Welcome back to my channel, everyone. You might be wondering where I am, but I was just hiding, playing hide and seek, so I'm here. And today, as you can see, I will be washing my hair. Like, my hair dirty bad, may I tell you, my hair dirty bad. So yes, I'm just rinsing it at first, and then going to shampoo and condition it. So yeah. So now guys, I'm going to be shampooing my hair, and I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter shampoo, which is sulfate free. Both of them is sulfate free, so yes, it is good for your hair. Not everything that I use will work for you, but you need to know what works for your hair. I'm just massaging my hair and trying to get all the dirt out and all of those things. So that's basically what you do, massage your hair. And when you feel like it's clean, then you use your conditioner. But most times I wash my hair 3 times, but for this time I had to wash it 4 times because it was extremely dirty. All the junk wasn't out at the 3rd time, so I had to wash it 4 times. So yes.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. We're on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day. So we're on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. So we're on my way, bonafide stallion. Ain't no step, I know you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. Put the racks on the spinning bang. Light a match, get lit it, babe. Like jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy.
So guys, it's time to condition my hair, and I already told you the conditioner, Cantu Shea Butter sulfate free conditioner, and I'm using a comb to comb out my hair as I condition it. So I just like section out my hair and comb it out with the conditioner, because the conditioner makes your hair soft, of course. So yes, and then I took a shower after and then rinsed it out and got out of the shower.
So don't worry, on my way, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. So don't worry, on my way, standing up, you need on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. On the racks, so we spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit it, babe. Like jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that.
What I always do after I'm finished conditioning my hair is whenever I'm rinsing out my hair, I continue to comb it out while I'm rinsing it out. Yes, that's what I always do. Welcome back guys, and on done system my ear moderately, but yeah, I never get through the intro. I just did start the video. Yeah, and let me change. Like maybe it's not dripping. I don't think it's dripping, but it still have some some water in it. A little bit. Feel it, girl. It have some water though. Alright. Then I get dry still, but alright, so what I feel, get some seal the moisture in my hair. So I have some, my go-to scrunchie, yeah. So I'm gonna part my hair in three. So what part the two itself? And my hair is really soft, people. Like the other conditioner they mom use make it soft, but this make it soft but and nice, Cantu I do the trick for my hair. It might not work for you, but it is working for me. And then I have my little part right here. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. Guys, I'm going to be using my go-to Cantu Shea Butter Growth Strong Strengthening Treatment for my hair, and it have a good amount left in there. I don't know if you can see, but yes, I might think like that. And I made coconut oil, like real rich coconut oil. Yes, and I'm going to be using this to apply because I could not get any of the nozzles. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using in my hair. So let's start. So I'm just going to, I don't even need to use the comb, just part out a little section, Make sure that everything gets something on it. So we are going to, what we use first. It really don't matter where you use first, I'll never go and look. Yeah. I'm going to put the oil first, I guess. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. Come drop piece in here, come drop one drop. But not again no more, that's too much. So I'm doing this. You see right there? It's going to, you know what it's gonna do already too. Yes. And it's natural coconut oil. I made it myself, guys. So I don't know say a real good thing. And I put some of the strengthening cream on it. So I'm going to do this throughout my hair. Yes. And let the moisture sit and everything.
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. We're on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day. So we're on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. So we're on my way, bonafide stallion. No stable, no, you stay on the run. Being on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50 love the way you split it. 100 racks, I'ma spin it back. Light a match, can't let it back. Like jet set, watch the sunset.
Alright, so now I'm going to put some of it in my hands, rub it on the ends of my hair, so it seals all that moisture. Should I put on this first? But it don't really matter if you put on first, you get me? This one was here, oil and all of them something. I don't know, guys, if you can see. It soon go like you can see that my hair over here is moisturized and over here is not. Like, look at the difference. So I'm going to comb out this side. People, comb out your hair from the end, okay? I'm used to doing this, so I always do like this. Comb it out from the root, but combing it from the end is much better.
Jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day. Say the word on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. Say the word on my way, standing up, you need on the rise. Lost control of myself and compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50 love the way you split it. 100 racks, I'ma spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. Jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum.
Carry up the middle because my ear have bad partings. So yeah. a stocking, a part of a stocking that I'm going to use and, you know, do the trick. Everything when me do a trick. No, me I gonna put it into like a high puff thing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so I'm going to do it from front or back. Alright, so I'm tight. Then I bring it up until it does some more like. My ear do black all the way, boy. No. This is not black. Should I carry it up more? Alright, I make it steer like this one. You can do any carry it up more, carry it less down. Anything you guys want. So you can lift from my ears so with one something strong a little bit. I'm not into that type of thing, so pushing it under easy, quick and easy style. It looks like over here, so carry up more. Alright, so I go fix that. I'm going to do the other way now. Maybe front way. You see me? Because something alright. I'm going to say that anymore. So do that, dry it up, drop the back, continue this, and then just keep on drying it up until you want it to reach. Carry it around and tie it twice so it's secure, and then yeah, you're good to go. And everybody else said, no man, why your ear smells so nice? Say, Cantu do the trick. Cantu do the trick. You can come out the ear if you want, but then at the time I just go with it the same way, so it look alright and everything. And you can curl up the ends if you want, or add some water and it will curl up, but my hair dry now, you get me? So just look at my hair. It looks moisturized, yeah, look my hand, full of oil. Yeah, but I prefer the liquid oil other than the hair oils, because the hair oil just, you know, but the liquid just, you know, feel like liquid. And my ear do look dry, you get me? I say, you know, long my ear do get look nice things in there, but yeah, so should I do edges in there? No, edges. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new.